All right, everyone, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to dive deep into the rhythmic universe, the very heartbeat of music. I'm going to set the stage by playing a few notes, so keep your eyes peeled and ears wide open. This is where the magic happens, and you're about to be a part of it. Okay, folks, let's get into the nitty-gritty of mastering that right-hand technique. Imagine your right hand as a conductor's baton. It dictates the tempo, sets the mood, and brings the melody to life. Now, whether you're strumming or plucking, it's essential to maintain a loose wrist. Think of it as a paintbrush sweeping across a canvas. This way you can smoothly glide through the strings while adding your unique touch to the melody. All right, time to put theory into practice. Join me in counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down. Ready? Let's make some beautiful music. This is our first exercise. We mute the strings from this hand. And let's turn down. There is such. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 in the end. It needs to go. Just a hand goes up and then back without pretending the strings. And we're thinking about these two basic steps, down and up. And with these two passes, we can do some interesting things how to combine them, and so on. But everything will start with muting the strings, or we are used to going very evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, through all the strings. All right, this next part is crucial, and I want you to get it right. So when we run this exercise at a known tempo, feel free to pause the video and practice a bit on your own. Don't worry, I'll be right here waiting. Ready to move on? Great. We're about to explore a rhythmic pattern that involves going down, then up, weaving our way through the strings. This technique creates a fascinating auditory texture, almost like an effect. But what's really key here is consistency. Your strumming should be as steady as a clock, 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. No jagged stops or starts, just smooth sailing. Okay, last tip for mastering the rhythm. Let's add some percussion elements to really flesh it out. Listen for the drum beat and try to match your down and up strums to it. Come on, grab your guitar and let's jam this out together. Remember, guys, rhythm isn't just a part of the song, it's the heartbeat. It's the element that gets your foot tapping and your soul singing. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. One and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See you in next video.